Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today I'll show you quick yoga for lower back. Lay down on your back. Palms down beside your body. And bring your heel close to your hips. And inhale, roll your pelvis. And slightly lift up your hips. Okay, tiny bridge. And exhale, roll down. Really subtle, tiny motion. Inhale, roll up your hips. Tiny bridge, it doesn't have to be high. And exhale, roll down, flat down. Inhale, roll up. Use your palm as a support. And exhale, roll down. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more time. Inhale, roll up. Lift up your sacrum. And exhale, down. If you want to know more, check out my full length videos.